Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to do a really quick unboxing and initial review of the WOLFBOX MF50. This thing is supposed to be super sweet. Detailers use it when they're trying to blow out like liquids and stuff in particular tight spaces. And also people use this for dusting out their electronics, which is what I got it for, dusting out my computer really easily. This is super sweet to have, very small, very compact. Let's go ahead and get this box and see everything we've got in here. Alrighty guys, there it is. This thing, for how much air it puts out, I just tested, this thing is crazy. I mean, that literally fits in my palm super easily. You've got multiple different nozzles here. So this is the one nozzle. You can actually just twist it just like that. And you've got 4 different nozzles to choose from. You got one that's more of like a flat style there. You've got one that's kind of more blunt. One a little more extended cone style. And then this is the more directed long style. That's the style I'll be using. But it literally just puts on here just like that. Clicks into place and you're good to go. On the back here, you're going to have your USB Type-C for charging. It includes a charging cord here, so you're good there. And then this is your intake. That's the high-powered turbo fan that's going to be pulling in a lot of air. And then you've also got your power button here. So you press this button, or press and hold it, and it lights up 3 there. 3 is going to tell you the speed as well. Along with the battery, it also tells you the speed. So right now we're on the high setting. You press it in, it goes to the medium setting, and then the lowest setting. So I'm gonna put it to the highest setting, and then you've got this button up here on the front. You press that, and that activates it. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on here. As you can see, this thing puts out a lot of air on the highest setting. It is incredibly high powered, very high powered. Also, you press it on the middle setting here. It's a little lower, and it will go without you having to press the button. So you can actually press it and it will blow air very well, just fine. Press it again, you can go to the lowest setting, and that is probably the most normal blowing setting. All the other ones are crazy. I mean, puts out a ton of air. I never to think you could put that much air out of something this small. I mean, that is incredible. This is great to have your detailing, blow out small cracks. Or if you're taking this to clean PCs, you know, take it with you in your backpack. You know, if you're doing IT or anything, this is super great to have. So if you guys are looking for a great high quality MegaFlow 50, the super fast blower, I would highly recommend you guys checking this thing out. This thing is incredible. Such a great deal, such a great product. Highly recommend it.